Welcome to Zenori Digital. Okay, so let's start with the Setup tab, because this is where you personalize your whole student planner. You can add your name, your classes or subjects, your task types, priority levels, and task statuses, so everything in the planner matches the way you actually work. You can set priorities like low, medium, or high, and statuses like not started, in progress, done, or overdue. You can also add your own daily encouragement quotes, which then rotate automatically on the calendar. So instead of opening your planner and immediately feeling attacked by your deadlines, you might get a little reminder like grace over guilt. And honestly, sometimes that's exactly what we need. Once the setup is done, we move to the assignment tracker. At the top, you get a complete overview of your academic workload, including your total number of assignments, assignments in progress, completed assignments, and overdue assignments. You also get visual charts that break your assignments down by class, type, and status, so you can quickly understand where your workload is coming from. In the main assignment table, you can enter your class, task type, priority, status, due date, due time, estimated time, and other important details. There's also a days left column that automatically shows you how much time you have. And when an assignment becomes overdue, it's clearly highlighted. Then there's the Due Today section, which automatically pulls the assignments that are due today, so you don't have to scroll through your entire list just to find today's work. You also get upcoming assignments and upcoming projects, which help you see what's coming next before it suddenly becomes tomorrow's emergency.
Next up is the to-do list, because not everything in student life is a graded assignment. You might need to review a chapter, prepare for a lecture, email your professor, work on a presentation, print something, or, very important, wash your water bottle before it officially becomes a science project. You can add your tasks along with their category, priority, status, due date, and other details. Just like the assignment tracker, you have a Due Today section that shows what needs to be done today, plus an upcoming task section, so you can see what's coming next. And when you complete something, you can mark it as done and get that satisfying strike through. Tiny thing, huge dopamine. Then we have the monthly calendar, and this is where the different parts of the planner really start working together. You can choose the month and year you want to view, and the calendar automatically builds your schedule. Assignments from the assignment tracker and tasks from the to-do list can appear directly on their respective dates, so you don't have to manually enter the same information again and again. If a day has something due, you can immediately spot it, which makes it much harder for deadlines to sneak up on you. You can also use the calendar filters to view information based on status, type, or priority. So if you only want to see high priority work, you can filter it without digging through everything else. Important dates like birthdays or holidays can also be displayed. So you're not only planning your academic life, you're actually looking at your whole month.
And then there's the book tracker, which is perfect for textbooks, books, articles, research papers, or any reading you need to complete for your classes. You can add the title, class, author, due date, and reading status, including want to read, reading, and done. The tracker also automatically counts your total reading items. And finally, we have the habit tracker, which is all about the routines that help you stay consistent throughout the semester. You can add your own habits, set a monthly goal for each one, and then check off each day you complete them.
Your habits could be studying for a certain amount of time, reviewing notes, reading, drinking water, sleeping on time, exercising, or literally anything you want to improve. The tracker automatically calculates your progress, so you can see your weekly progress as well as your monthly overview without doing any calculations yourself. You also get charts at the top that make your progress much easier to understand visually, and there's a top 10 habits section where you can see which habits you're actually crushing and which ones you've been quietly ignoring for 3 weeks. Don't ask me how I know. And that's basically what makes this whole student planner so useful. So instead of keeping assignments in one app, tasks in your phone, readings in a random notebook, and deadlines somewhere in the back of your brain, everything is finally in one place. It's not going to do your homework for you, unfortunately. I'm still waiting for that feature, but it can take a huge amount of the mental clutter off your plate. If you want to get this exact student planner, you can get this template by the link in the comments section. Just make your own copy, add your information, and start organizing your student life without trying to remember everything yourself. Thanks so much for watching Zenori Digital, and I'll see you in the next one.